In this video, I will show you how to accept order on Uber Eats. So if you're planning to be already for Uber Eats, what you can do is you can head over right here to your account option. And then from in there, just scroll down and then you can see this earn by driving or delivering. So when you head over and click on that, it will redirect you to this new page right here that will show or prompt up for this one. So just enter your phone number and email. For this one, I'll just use in here my email. And then after it's been added, it will log you into the Uber application. Now you just need to enter in here your phone number, or you can also update it through in there. So you can choose in here the country, and then we have in here the country code, and then just enter right here your phone number. Now, once you're done with that, you should be able to have access to the Uber rider, and you should be able to accept order as easily once you're done with all of this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.